I'm in front of King Tut Graphics today to pick up my Fisker Ocean that has had work done, including PPF, ceramic, and tint. Let's check it out. This is Steven.
Hey, how are you?
He's Director of Business Development
Yes, sir.
at King Tut Graphics, and I had them work on my Fisker Ocean today.
Yes, sir.
And they've actually had it all week, and it looks like they did a wonderful job on it. I'm going to have Steven talk about all the things that were done to the Ocean
Absolutely.
by their company.
Absolutely. So initially we started with a decontamination wash. We got the vehicle free of contamination prior to applying film. From there, we did a light DA polishing. The vehicle is brand new, so not much there to correct. So we did a light polishing to the vehicle. From there, we did the clay bar to get it free of dirt contamination prior to applying film. From there, we did a custom package on the Fisker that we have done on for all of the members of the Fisker group. So we did full hood, we did full fenders. These fenders are pretty large, so full fenders. Headlights, we did the piano black trim pieces there on the front. We did the lower trim piece on the bumper. From there we did full A-pillar. A lot of companies will do the A-pillar and they'll stop right here and leave a line. We did the full A-pillar going back to the end. We did this area above the windshield here, protected that area as well. We did the full mirror as well. We did the B pillars. These tend to scratch very easily. They're piano black. They tend to scratch, so we covered the B pillars and the C pillars. And then we did full tint. We tinted the vehicle 35% XR Plus on the sides, and then we did a 70% clear on the back just due to the factory dye on the back glass. So we didn't want it to be too dark for matte on the back, so we did the 70% clear on the back. It looks amazing. From there, we did an interior ceramic coating. We ceramic coated all of the wheels, all of the film, and all of the paint. So this vehicle will perform for years to come. It will be protected and look amazing for years to come.
Great.
Yes, sir.
How about the glass? Did you mention
Yes.
about,
Yes.
is there
We
any,
polished and ceramic coated all of the glass as well.
and is there any special maintenance that you need to do with the glass?
No.
Different than the paint?
Water has minerals, and so it can, if left on the glass, it'll create a ring and a swirl. It actually etches the glass. So what we do is we'll review the glass thoroughly. If we see any water spots, we'll polish those out prior to ceramic coating. and then we'll apply the glass coating onto the glass. From there, now all of the surfaces become hydrophobic, so water and dirt hit the surface, hit the glass, especially that large glass on the roof, will hit it and roll off, bead up and roll off. And so that makes it easier maintenance, easier to wash, maintain, etc. So very important just to maintain it properly, wash it properly, and we share maintenance, how to wash it, how to care for it.
Great. Well, I thank you very much for
Yes, sir.
your team's work on the car.
Yes,
It looks
sir.
fantastic,
Thank you.
and hope to get a lot of good use out of it.
Yes, sir.
And I'll be posting your company's information in my video description. Anybody in the greater Triangle area of North Carolina is welcome to, to be a
Reach out.
customer,
Yes,
because
sir.
I'm really impressed with the work that they did, and
Thank you so much.
and
for the
communication has been excellent. So
Yes, sir.
I can't say enough good things about you guys. So
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
So thank you very much.
Yes, sir. And here are your keys. Yes, sir. But we coated all of this entry area for you here. This door is coated, and you can actually feel how slick it is. But coated all of that. Yeah, so let me get these real quick. I'll be right back.
Well, that wraps up my video with getting my Fisker Ocean PPF, ceramic, and tint. Here's a list of the areas and products used. Paint protection film was applied to the front of the car, as well as the black trim areas, pillars, and front roof area. Ceramic coating on the PPF, and paint including the glass and interior. Finally, 35% tint was applied to the side windows and clear on the liftgate window. Thanks to King Tut Graphics for doing this project and for working with local area Fisker One owners. At least 7 have completed or will be doing this protection and tint on their vehicles as well. If you live in the Triangle region of North Carolina and would like to get PPF, ceramic, and or tint, please contact Stephen Michaels at King Tut Graphics. The details are in the video description. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.